हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। और आज का हमारा टॉपिक है हाउ टू क्रिएट दिस यिन एंड यांग। ऑलराइट, सो टुडे वी विल बी क्रिएटिंग दिस icon in Illustrator, and this is very easy. Like, people have been telling the way, different ways how you can create, and today we will learn how easily, very easily we can create this shape in Illustrator, okay, without making it super complex. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so guys, as you see, this is the shape, and this is one circle outside, this is one circle inside, and then another one, and then this one, and then this one. Okay, so this is all mix of different shapes. Okay, I will simply go to my tools. I will draw this circle in the middle. My artboard size is 1920 by 1080. Okay, now that you can see this is not properly, the pixel size should be very precise, else we need to apply different commands to make it precise. Okay, so I will keep it 500. All right, and I will make the outline white so that it should be visible. Yeah, this looks good. I will make the outline to 2 pixels. All right, now I will copy this and I will paste in place. All right, and now for the box that for the circle that we have copied and pasted, we will resize it and we will make it to 250 pixels. Okay, so here you can see. So now that you can see, this is snapping on the border. Why? Because we have turned on the smart guides. So you can keep this off, this snap to pixel. Sometimes this becomes confusing. All right, so I'm keeping this off for now. And now I'm going to copy this again. You can simply press Alt and drag by clicking, else you can simply go to object, edit, copy and paste in place. Okay, now simply select this outside circle and again click on this, align it to right. Okay, this is one way of doing this, or else we can simply just drag and leave it here. It's snapping. Okay, now again we will have to make 2 circles. Okay, so what I will do, I will again go ahead, I will copy and copy in place. Okay, so we will keep the circle big. I think in the earlier one I kept the circle a bit smaller. So now again I am simply pressing Alt and Shift to keep it aligned with the original one. Okay, and I am aligning it again to this. See, this looks cool. Right, so now you can see the shape which is already building without doing anything that we have done so far. I'm selecting all of them. Go to your shape builder tool, the magic tool, draw it like this, and then you can make it like this and then make it like this. So your yin and yang symbol is ready in this few clicks. Okay, you can give it the whatever color you want, but I have seen that symbol majorly in black and white. So because my background is sort of dark, so I'm just keeping it this way. Okay, so this circle is already there. Simply press I for eyedropper tool. Okay, and then select it on the yellow, and now again select this one and make it red. Now select all of them, group them, and then make the outline none. Create another box. As you remember, our original size of this circle is 500 pixel. So I will keep it 500 pixel. I will center align it. My symbol is not center aligned, so I will again make it center aligned. I will make this color the new circle that we created. I will make this circle inside fill is 0, nil, and then I'll make the outside color is 5 pixel white, or you can keep it 10 pixel also. I think 10 pixel looks so cool. So you can keep the size is you can keep playing with the colors and the things, but you cannot play with the shape. All right, you can change the color whatever you want. You can change the outline stroke, but this is how easily you can create this. If you like this tutorial, please don't forget to like, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.